The first step to an accurate blood pressure reading is making sure your cuff fits correctly. That's why every monitor in our Clarity range comes with our right cuff promise. If the cuff supplied isn't the right fit for you, we'll replace it with one that is. When your monitor arrives, try on the cuff. Place it on your bare upper arm, with the writing facing towards you and the tube running down the center of your arm. The cuff should sit around 2 centimeters above your elbow and feel snug, while still allowing 2 fingers to fit comfortably between the cuff and your arm. If you're unsure whether the cuff is the right size, use the measuring tape included with your monitor. This will help you determine whether you need a small, universal or large cuff. To request a different cuff, scan the QR code or visit www.kineticwellbeing.com/right-cuff-promise.